Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Christmas with Angur. We'll dive into a world of festive possibilities, transforming simple grapes into extraordinary holiday elements. You'll discover how to craft stunning decorations that add a touch of natural elegance to your home. We'll also explore delightful culinary creations, from savory dishes to sweet treats and refreshing beverages, all featuring the juicy goodness of grapes. Get ready to impress your guests with unique and memorable grape-inspired ideas this holiday season. Grapes offer a wonderfully natural and sophisticated touch to your holiday decor. Imagine crafting a stunning centerpiece by artfully arranging deep red or vibrant green grape bunches alongside flickering candles and fragrant evergreen sprigs. You can also gently weave small clusters of grapes into your existing wreaths or garlands, instantly elevating their festive appeal. For a personalized touch, consider adding just 2 or 3 individual grapes to each guest's place setting, perhaps tucked into a napkin ring. These simple additions bring a fresh, organic beauty to your celebrations. Elevate your holiday menu with the sweet and tart versatility of grapes. Consider preparing a mouth-watering roasted grape and brie appetizer, a perfect blend of savory and sweet that will delight your guests. For refreshing beverages, simply freeze a handful of grapes and use them to chill your sparkling cider or wine, adding a touch of elegance without diluting the flavor. A vibrant Christmas salad, combining crisp greens, creamy goat cheese, and juicy sliced grapes, offers a light yet flavorful option. Don't forget a unique dessert, like a sweet grape tart, to complete your festive feast. To ensure your grape creations look and taste their best, proper handling is key. Always store your grapes unwashed in their original packaging within the refrigerator. This helps them stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Remember to wash them gently under cool water only right before you plan to use or serve them, as washing too early can accelerate spoilage. For an impressive presentation, arrange grapes on chilled platters or in bowls nestled over a bed of ice, keeping them wonderfully crisp. Pairing them with a selection of cheeses, nuts, and crackers creates an irresistible and effortless holiday spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.